Hi guys, and welcome back to our series on how to create a profitable Shopify store. Today I'm going to continue the list of the most essential apps that you might need for your shop. This lesson is devoted to the app Free Shipping Bar by Hextom. And it's one of the most useful and powerful little apps that allow you to create a little bar on top of your shop that shows a free shipping offer if they qualify. Let me just show how it looks on my shop. Take a look. On top of my store, there is a black bar saying Free US Shipping. Then I list my helpline, 1-800-HELPLINE. And then I list a gift. It says, Get free anti-lost dog safe tag for all orders over $50. So here is the marketing idea how to boost your sales with this bar. This bar automatically counts the summarized price of products that are added to the shopping cart. Once they reach a certain amount, $50 in my case, the bar changes and it gives you access to the special gift. So let me show you in settings. You can understand easier how it works. Okay, here are the settings on this free shipping bar. So there are 3 possible statuses. So this is the same bar as we saw before. Then, as they add something to the cart, the amount changes. For example, only $49 away from your gift anti-lost dog safety tag. And once your buyers add all products that exceed $50, it changes to Congratulations! You've got a gift anti-lost dog safety tag. Click here for access. Once they click, they receive this gift and add it to cart. And basically, it's free. This way you can use this bar for either providing a gift if they qualify or providing free shipping. For example, a lot of Shopify stores use the following idea. They give you free shipping in case you have more products that are worth over $50. In this case, the buyers receive free shipping. So here are my configurations. Currency, US dollars. And my goal is $50 in this case. Initial message when the cart is empty. This is a progress and it says only, which says how many dollars away from your gift, dog safety tag, or you can say away from free shipping. And then the goal achieved message is when the cart value is greater than the goal. It says, Congratulations, you've got a gift anti-lost dog safety tag. You see, guys? This is really easy. And it allows you to set a lot of extra settings, which I don't need. And even set things like Halloween, Christmas, and everything that you want to do. So have fun with it. Use it. And it's really, really useful. I hope you find this lesson helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.